How to create a purchase order in CoreXBiz Supply Order. In the Suppliers module, open the Supply Order tab. Manage purchase orders. From here you create purchase orders, import or export them, and filter by status. Click Create New Purchase Order to open the form. Start with Supplier, search your vendor list, and pick the supplier for this order. Set the expected delivery date for when materials should arrive. Web Order ID lets you link this purchase order to a sale, so you can track material received and cost against that specific order. Status controls the approval path. Choose Pending Approval when a manager must sign off, or Approved when it is already cleared to proceed. Payment terms usually come from the supplier record, but you can change them on this purchase order if needed. Priority tells how urgent the order is, high or urgent for a rush, or normal when the supplier can process it on their usual timeline. Ship to address usually comes from company settings. You can leave it or enter a different destination here. Next, order items, the materials you are purchasing. Search material name and code from your materials list. We will add printer ink blue. If a material does not exist yet, add it in materials list first. For general purchases that do not need their own catalog entry, use a general material. Set the quantity and unit cost for the line. Click Add Line if you need more items on the same purchase order. Add notes for the supplier when you need special instructions. When you are ready, Save Purchase Order keeps it for management review and approval. Or use Save and Send to save and email it to the supplier when it is approved, or when approval is not required. We will save and send. Now you can send this purchase order to your supplier directly. Close the composer and return to Manage Purchase Orders to confirm the new purchase order is listed.